why we use distilled water inverter batteries. So basically there are mainly two reasons behind using distilled water inverter batteries. The first one is the dielectric constant. If you ever heard about capacitors, you come across the term dielectric. Dielectric is basically a medium between the two plates which acts as an insulator and work as a electrical polarizer. Picture you see there are two plates. This is plate number 1 and this is plate number 2, and the gap between them is the dielectric material. The dielectric between the plates is acting like an electrical insulator, and the plates are connected to a voltage source and when an electric force comes through the supply, from the supply the plates get polarized but not pass through this dielectric because it is an insulator. Here it is a diagram of a capacitor. Inside the capacitor there are the two metal plates, and between them the orange part is the dielectric. That is plastic insulation that we see from our eyes from the outward of the capacitor. From the outside part of the capacitor we see plastic insulation, and these two needles are going to connect from the power supply source like this. Here is our voltage source and here is our plates, and here it is our dielectric medium. So dielectric constant is basically a quantity that measures the ability of a substance to store electrical energy in the electrical field. So you can say that it is a charge. It denotes the charge storing capacity of a material, of the dielectric material. So the dielectric constant shows the charge storing capacity of the dielectric material. More the value of dielectric constant, then more will be the charge storing capacity of the dielectric. So in our environment there are many dielectric materials available. Out of them few I will show you in the next image. Every material that exists in our nature has some dielectric value. Some of them I try to show you here like this. This is the dielectric constant table for different materials. Vacuum has the dielectric value of 1, air has the dielectric value of 1.0006, and oil has a dielectric value of 4, and see the dielectric value of the water. It is just 80 times that of air and vacuum. So this is the reason why we use the water in inverter batteries, domestic inverter batteries. I think you got my point. The water that we used in our, or you can say distilled water that we use in our batteries, has a very high dielectric constant value. So more charge is going to store in the battery. On the other hand, strontium titanate has more dielectric value as comparison to water, but strontium titanate is not abundant in the environment as comparison to water. Water is available in a much large quantity as comparison to strontium titanate, and water is also cheaply available. So this is the reason number 1 behind using the distilled water in the inverter batteries. This water in its purified form is known as distilled water. So the another reason behind using distilled water in inverter batteries is, reason number 2 is the absence of salt and minerals and impurities in distilled water. Basically, the drinking water or the tap water that we use in our daily life has so many salts, so many minerals and impurities that are essential for our body, and but these minerals are not essential for the battery, for the domestic inverter battery. They act just opposite to the batteries. They harm them. They actually reduce the lifespan of the batteries. They affect the electrochemical reaction that occurs in the batteries. So it degrades the life of the battery and the performance of the battery. So that's why we don't use drinking water. We purified it by removing these impurities and make it distilled. It's basically a type of purified water. Salts, minerals and other organic materials are removed by collecting these steams from the boiling water. So it is a purified form of the water, and which is good for the performance of the batteries. That's why we use it. In this image you can see that how the distilled water is poured into the battery. I hope you like my information that I shared with you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.